King Tutankhamun, also known as King Tut, was an Egyptian pharaoh of the 18th dynasty, who ruled from approximately 1332 to 1323 BCE. His tomb, discovered by Howard Carter in 1922, is one of the most well-preserved and wealthiest in the Valley of the Kings, and his death mask is one of the most famous pieces of art from ancient Egypt. Key points about King Tutankhamun: reign and dynasty. Tutankhamun ascended to the throne at a very young age, around 8 or 9 years old. He was a pharaoh of the 18th dynasty during the New Kingdom period of ancient Egypt. Religious restoration. Tutankhamun is known for restoring traditional Egyptian religion and art. His predecessor, Akhenaten, had established a monotheistic worship of the sun god Aten. Tutankhamun's reign saw a return to the worship of the traditional gods and the restoration of temples. Tomb and treasures. The discovery of his tomb, KV 62, by Howard Carter and George Herbert, 5th Earl of Carnarvon, was significant due to the tomb's nearly intact condition and the wealth of artifacts found within it. Items found in the tomb include the famous golden death mask, thrones, archery bows, trumpets, a lotus chalice, food, wine, sandals, and fresh linen underwear. Death and mummification. King Tutankhamun died at the age of 18 or 19. The exact cause of his death remains a subject of debate, with theories ranging from an accident, such as a chariot crash, to possible genetic disorders, to assassination. His mummified body was laid in a series of nested shrines and sarcophagi, which were placed within a large tomb in the Valley of the Kings. Legacy. Despite his short reign, Tutankhamun's legacy lives on due to the wealth of artifacts found in his tomb, which have provided invaluable insight into the culture, religion, and daily life of ancient Egypt. His death mask and other artifacts continue to be iconic symbols of ancient Egyptian civilization. King Tutankhamun's significance. Historical importance. Tutankhamun's tomb provided a wealth of information about the period's burial practices, art, and daily life. Cultural impact. The discovery sparked renewed global interest in ancient Egypt and its treasures, often referred to as Tutmania. Mysteries and theories. Theories about his death and the so-called curse of the pharaohs have added to the intrigue and mystery surrounding his life and reign. For more detailed information, you can explore resources like the National Geographic and the British Museum.